Welcome everybody to the live video today. Today I'll be giving you a new tax refund update. I thank you everyone for joining today. You guys, now I want to cover a good amount of stuff while I'm waiting. You guys, I know a lot of you have been waiting on your tax refund, still waiting on your tax refund, you guys, and I'm gonna be sharing some information with you guys in a few minutes. Now, for those of you who haven't already, you guys, if you haven't already entered into the $50 gift card drawing, make sure you do so. If you haven't already, I will be giving that away. Listen, on my birthday. On my birthday. So if you haven't already entered into that drawing, you guys make sure you enter. Hashtag refund. Time is running out. It's hard to believe, you guys. We got 6 more months, and it'll be a new tax refund. I mean, a new tax season. It'll be time for a new tax refund. So it is. Wow, time is really passing by. Hey, Mika, welcome. You still waiting? Okay. Okay, she putting the hashtag refund. You're entered in the drawing. Hernando, he was on here earlier. I don't know. He may be coming back on, but he been on here before. Welcome everybody who watches and who watched the replay. Okay, you guys. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with everybody, and I'm gonna share the information. A lot of you guys have been waiting 180 days. They some people saying 180-day wait, 120-day wait. Some people are giving 60-day wait. So if you haven't, don't be discouraged. I will be covering information regarding refunds today. Now, some people have gotten the refund status for the 26th as their due date, you guys, and I know a lot of you was wondering, where is my tax return? Where is my tax refund? A good many of you have been putting comments under my videos, telling me all these things, and I get it. And I know a lot of you are upset, you guys, but try to be patient. And I know that you definitely do not want to hear that, but at this time, there's only right now I can tell you to do, especially for those of you who don't want to reach out to your congressman. Some people have reached out, a good many have reached out to their state congressman and have got um, great results and got answers, but some people are still waiting. You guys, and again, some people have received the due date of the 26th. We've been seeing people receiving due dates usually be every Wednesday, but it could be a different date than that as well, you guys. I'm getting ready to try to share this out on another one of my pages so a lot of people can join in watching this live update if they haven't already. Okay, I'm streaming live on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and on Facebook. Okay. All right, welcome you again. So I'm gonna move on. A lot of people received the due date of the 26th. Let me know, did you receive a due date? Did you receive an update? I usually do a poll on my YouTube channel, but I hadn't lately. So let me know in the comments. Even if you watched a replay of this video, you can comment on the video as well to let me know. All right, some people are getting updated. Last time I shared the amended refunds with regarding 2023. This is one for 2021. Somebody had posted that they received the update. So for those of you who've been waiting for amended returns for 2021 and 2022 and also 2023, do not be discouraged because people have been getting updates regarding their refunds. So I wanted you guys to be mindful of all this too, for those of you who are waiting. And that's why I usually do the polls, you guys, on my channel. I usually do the polls because that allows a lot of people who haven't received it. We see a large percentage of the people who haven't already seen it, received it yet, and also other information regarding it. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Okay, also for you guys, if you haven't, before I move forward, if you haven't already signed up for the free newsletter to come to your inbox, You guys make sure you do so. I have it in the information description of this video. You can sign up for the free newsletter, also get text news and also about business and finances as well to help you, especially during tax season if you haven't already done so. Okay, so you can text join at 1-833-527-0161, or you can do the email where I got the link at bit.ly/ Dr. Linda's newsletter. So just to remind you guys before I move forward with this presentation. Okay, don't forget also one more thing, that my book will be available for those of you who haven't already. This book is available. It's gonna be available on in my store, and it's gonna be available on Amazon for those of you who will want it to buy it. Now, some people have already pre-ordered this book already. How to get a bigger refund legally. If you want this book to help you for tax season 2025 that's coming up, it's gonna be available on Saturday, you guys. Okay, Saturday, but some people have already pre-order is already available, and when you pay for it, you get immediate. You're gonna get immediate download for those who order on Saturday, and for those of you already who pre-order, it'll be sent to your inbox. Just to let you guys know that as well. Okay, we have some more comments. Hey, Carlos. Okay, I have a future date next to my code 846. Does that mean I receive it that day or earlier? If you have a code of 846, did you check where is my refund, Carlos? If you have that date by 846, it should be your due date, Carlos. But you can also check on where is my refund as well, okay? Thanks for entering into the drawing, okay? You'll be entered into the drawing. Okay. Yes, it should be your due date, okay? All right. Let me move forward and thank you for entering the drawing. Let me back up out the large screen. Okay, you guys are moving forward. Again, also the planner. You guys also, I will be doing tax planning coming up in my Facebook group. It's gonna be Facebook group on Facebook only, for those who want the tax planning for free. So if you haven't already joined the Facebook group, make sure you do. And also the planner, make sure you take advantage of that planner, you guys. The green one is for taxpayer. The pink one is for tax pro bosses. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay. No update on the WMR. Hopefully that is your due date though, Carlos. If you're telling me it's a date beside the 846 code, then that should be your due date, okay? All right. Any more questions, you can put them down. This is for tax pros. Let me put the larger screen, you guys. I keep, okay. This is for tax pros. People been asking, this is for tax preparers for this planner. But the green one, you guys, the green book is for taxpayers for the planning. Again, I will be helping those who need help to plan for tax season 2025. That will be less than, you guys, it's going to be less than 6 months already. So you need to be preparing, even though you guys are still waiting on your refund. You need to start preparing. Make sure you're grabbing all the receipts and everything you need regarding your refund. I know a lot of you seem like your refund or your tax return is miles away from you, and you don't haven't received any information. Again, make sure you reach out to your taxpayer advocate. Also, reach out to your congressman. And I gave you the steps in the videos. Plenty of videos, 400 some videos on my channel to help you guys. Make sure you go to the playlist for those of you who are needing help with the notices and letters. Now, I did see in one of the groups, you guys, I did see in one of the groups, a young lady said that she tried to get help from the taxpayer advocate regarding her return, and they told her that they was taking part of it, and they end up taking all of it. if that happens to you, if the taxpayer advocate tells you that they're gonna approve you for a certain amount, and then you find out that it's taken, you need to find out why it's taken. I would definitely contact the bank. I would contact my congressman. I would contact the IRS to see what's going on, to see why your refund was taken. Again, if TPG, Santa Barbara Tax Products Group, people have been saying it, if they reject your refund, for those of you who have been waiting, if they reject it and they send it back to the IRS, it shouldn't take that long, okay? When they reject it, make sure you go back to the IRS, contact them, you guys, and hopefully you'll get it mailed out within 5 to 10 business days. It shouldn't take you that long, okay? If it takes you, it shouldn't be no month. People been telling me months. It shouldn't take you no month, you guys, to get your check. So I would definitely find out what's going on if I'm waiting that long on my refund, okay? Again, if you're watching now, if you have any questions, let me know as well. Now, I've been discussing this and I'm continue to go in and out. A lot of refunds are being delayed because of missing information, you guys, on your tax return, errors on your return, and again, because it's rejected. Suspicious activity by banks, and I explained it. You guys, I keep telling you guys because people been having this problem. If you file your tax return, you have your bank, the tax return, the name that's on the tax return gotta match what's on the bank account. Even if you're in a joint account, it's gotta match it, you guys. So you gotta make sure that everything lines up so that you won't get your tax return rejected. A lot of people, you trying to put money in other people's bank accounts with a different name. You cannot do that. It will be rejected. It will go back to the IRS because of suspicious activity. Now, maybe if it's suspicious activity and they have to review it to make sure there's no fraud or anything, it may take longer for those of you who have been asking me regarding that. Okay, to let you guys know that. All right. All right. And also, it's really, you're just gonna have to wait and be patient. They tell you to wait and be patient. And if they send you the notices, the 60-day to 120-day wait notices, they tell you not to contact them but to wait to to see when they update it. Okay, you guys. So again, if you have any questions and comments, make sure you drop them down in the video. Regarding that group that I'm gonna have regarding tax planning, you guys, regarding tax planning with the, whether it's the tax pro, the tax preparers, or with the taxpayers, that's green, you guys, you're gonna have to be able to make sure that you're in the group to take part of tax planning for me to be able to help you doing tax planning or with business, with finances, with anything regarding that. You're gonna have to join the group, you guys, and I will be teaching in those groups, and I will be going live. Facebook do not want us to use a third party app to go live in the groups on Facebook. So you're gonna have to be in that group, you guys, to make sure that you be able to take part in that tax planning for those of you who are interested as well. The information should be on my YouTube channel, and it also should be down in the description of this video. Now, I did go over a lot of people saying there's no excuse for the IRS because of all the weights, and I get it, you guys. Um, there is no excuse. I understand that, but I only share information that it comes to me regarding tax return information or tax refund information, giving you the live updates, you guys. So it's always up to the IRS when they're gonna release the tax return. I just share information as it come to me and the new releases, you guys, as well, regarding tax refund. You can also reach out to the taxpayer advocate if you have a hardship. For those of you, I'm gonna share that again. Even though the young lady that I told you guys at the beginning of this video, she reached out to the taxpayer advocate and got approved for her hardship, but she still got it taken from her. I will still try this process. If you having a hard time, you guys, regarding this, I would definitely contact my state congressman. And I showed you guys again about all of that. The backlog is huge. The backlog regarding tax returns is huge. I know it's no excuse. A lot of you are going political on me, talking about the administration, and I don't talk about politics on my YouTube channel. But if you're gonna get political with regarding what's going on with your return, you got to know who is in the office. We're under. I put it like this: the House is ran this 2024 by the Republicans, so it's some things that changes under, even though we're under one administration, it's a different one take office in Congress. So I'm just gonna leave it there, you guys. I know a lot of people want to get political, they want to get upset, but right now I can tell you do is be patient. If you want to learn more information about me or about Buy Grace Tax Service, make sure that you go to this link. Also, one other thing that I did want to share before I leave, and I did share this information yesterday for those of you who watched yesterday my last live video. Not just regarding, I was trying to share it, but everything should be linked in one link, you guys. Everything should be linked in one link, to be able to get to the different thing that you need help with regarding me. And I did share that yesterday, and I also put it under the community tab. Yeah, it should be on the community tab where I shared that, you guys, where you could be able to get more information regarding me or anything that you need regarding By Grace Tax Services, Dr. Miller Likely, news about tax refunds, and also my books, and also about Shining Lights Academy for those of you who are asking to partner with me. So I want to share all this information with you guys, and I hope again this information helps. Okay? If you have any questions and you have any comments, even after this video, make sure you drop it now. I always try to wait a few minutes before I log off, you guys. Um, and the reason why is sometimes I go off the live video and I see a stack of comments. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, make sure you drop them down in this video. Don't be afraid to ask anything regarding your return. Just let me know and I'll get back to you. If you don't have any questions right now and you feel like you just want to wait till this video goes off, that's fine with me as well. Um, I do want to tell you guys this upcoming tax season. What I'm gonna do different is, um, I'm gonna have the discovery call for you guys. A lot of you was trying to reach me on the YouTube through YouTube through Buy Grace Tax Services LLC. So what I'm gonna do in November for you guys who want to ask questions regarding Buy Grace Tax Service or tax preparation, with tax filing, I'm gonna have a free discovery call for you guys on the scheduling site that's different from last tax season because a lot of people was trying to reach me, and you're gonna have to schedule to be able to do that. It's gonna last 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes I will give you. I'm gonna open up that November 2024. The free discovery call will be on the scheduler link. For those of you who have questions regarding tax filing, and I'm gonna have it up there early, you guys, before tax season 2025, because people start filing their tax returns on January the 3rd. We in a preseason, so people file early because they be want to take advantage of those tax loans that I have available. I have the preseason loans will be available again, and then the ones that open up the beginning of tax season will be available again. Also in December, I look forward to giving the last gift card giveaway before Christmas. Whoever win that drawing in December, I'm hoping to make sure I give it out to them earlier so they'll be able to use it for their Christmas shopping. Okay, so if you missed this opportunity with getting this gift card in August, then you can definitely take advantage of the gift card that's going to be given away in December, you guys. But this drawing, when you put out hash refund, it's going to be hashtag refund is going to be for this one that's going to be given away on my birthday, which is August the 4th. Okay, August the 4th. And you got to go by all the rules now. I had to tell people because people was trying to contact me. We had the winner of the last drawing, and people were trying to contact me on Instagram, trying to say that they were the winner and they were not the winner. And I do everything for a reason. You got to be located within the United States. You got to be a taxpayer, and you got to follow all the instructions to win, you guys. Okay, so I'm letting you guys know. For those of you who are interested, again, in the planner for tax pros, because I do have tax preparers that be on my channel. It's on Amazon. It's also on my in my store as well. Dr. Linda Likely store is available there. Also, for those who want, I'm gonna go more detail of the taxpayer planner. It's green, you guys. It's green. I'm gonna go over that next Wednesday for you guys. Okay, the tax planner. That's available in my store as well for download, but you can also order the paperback. Both of them are paperback planners as well, but you can get it digital or you can get it paperback, whatever you want to do. And it is available on Walmart and on Amazon. Okay, to let you guys know that. All you gotta do is put in Linda Likely Books. You can Google me, Dr. Linda Likely. You can put in Linda Likely Books, or you can put in author Linda Likely. You should be able to find a lot of information on Google regarding me, you guys, and also about Shining Lights Academy. For those of you who are asking about enrolling in Shining Lights Academy, all you got to do is Google Shining Lights Academy. If you can't find that, then Google Dr. Linda Likely, and if you scroll down, it should be a long list of all the information you need. For those of you who are wanting to partner with me as tax professionals, with me with By Grace Tax Services, I tell people make sure you email your resume, the info at bygracetax.com, okay? For those of you who are interested in partnering with me. Now, if you have no experience, this is for the ones who have experience. If you don't have experience, you're going to have to wait to September, you guys, okay? For those who don't have experience as tax preparers, okay? But if you do have experience as a tax preparer and you want to partner with me, you email me your resume at info@bygracetax.com. Any questions regarding refunds or anything else? I continue to tell people to reach out to their taxpayer advocate. If you're having problems, if you having problems with the taxpayer advocate, I would definitely go to my state congressman. And a lot of people, again, I have I could put up a long list of people who took my advice regarding the state congressman, and they had success. You got now. This is not something you have to do; it's your choice. But I always offer advice regarding that, you guys, to help you. Okay. All right. If there isn't any more questions, I do want to thank you all for watching, you guys. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I give live updates every week, giving you the information regarding taxes, business, and building wealth. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing the tax planning as well. And again, if you haven't already joined the group, I haven't been doing a lot in the groups, but I will be doing a lot in the Facebook group. You guys, for those of you who are interested in joining, it's on Facebook. Facebook is not letting us do the third party apps anymore. So I will be live right in the group talking with you guys, doing tax planning with you guys and showing you parts of the book and how it can benefit you, the planner and all the information. Okay, getting you prepared for tax season 2025 because it's coming quickly. As y'all are waiting on refunds, tax season is coming quickly. Okay, so we have to be prepared. We should be having receipts. We should be keeping up with documents, important information. And you guys, this is it's going to be a new tax season, but also we don't know who's going to, I'm hoping, we don't know if we're going to keep the same administration or it's going to be a new administration. And as it's a new administration, If it does change to Trump again, then a lot of things gonna change. So you got to make sure that you keep up with everything, that so you can take advantage of all those tax credits and deductions. Okay, let me see the comment I see on the screen. Okay, Micaiah Davis put in hashtag refund. And hey, Miss Sugar, welcome back, Miss Sugar. I'm so happy to see you. And well, Hernando was on here earlier. I know usually both of y'all, it's amazing to me that he shows up and you usually be on here and we joke and we laugh, but he was on here earlier, but he left off. Okay. Miss Sugar said, I finally received a portion of my refund. Not happy about it, but I'm glad the wait is over. So, yeah, I'm glad you did receive it as well, Miss Sugar. That is so awesome. But the only part is portion. Because I seen somebody else, Miss Sugar, I was telling in the beginning of the video, young lady had a hardship, got approved for the hardship by the taxpayer advocate. She thought she was gonna get her money. And guess what happened? She didn't get any of her money, and that was just so heartbreaking. And the only thing that I suggested to her when they took her whole refund was to reach out to her state congressman, because she just went to the taxpayer advocate. But I would definitely find out so somebody can speak on my behalf, and find out why did they take all of it. I know you already had went to your congressman, I think. Didn't you go to your congressman, Miss Sugar? I know regarding Hernando, right? He was over here earlier, then he disappeared, talking about Hernando is in the house. That's what he put on. He let me know that he was on here. He always have us laughing when he joins him, and all the other ones. They give us a good laugh. Let me see if I see any. Yeah, you went through your congressman. Yes, that's good that you got help regarding your refund. And it's a lot of other people. Again, if you watch all my other live videos, if you go back, it's a lot of people that received help with their Congress through their state congressman. Again, I shared you all the steps in the past videos. I also have a playlist, you guys, of the notices, the letters. For those of you who are new, you'll be surprised of the new people that just now be watching me. Just not be tuning in after tax season, have no clue about me. Some people said that they were suggested by YouTube to me. So for those of you who just been lost the entire tax season and you feel like that you have no help regarding your refund, you guys go back to the other live videos on my channel. Go back to the playlist, because I have playlists on there to help you specifically, so you won't have to go back through all the live videos that you missed regarding notices, regarding reaching out to your congressman, and also for those of you watching the taxpayer centers. Let me remind you guys, just because tax season is over with and the last day that they gave on the irs.gov site for taxpayer centers, you can still go to your taxpayer center or one near you. You guys, you can go on irs.gov, go to taxpayer centers. You should be able to put that in search, and you should be able to put in your location where you're located in the radius. You put in like so many miles and find one nearest you so you can go. You should be able to schedule an appointment when you find it, and then you'll know when they're available and open so you can talk about your refund. Some people said they verified identity way back in March, and they still haven't received anything, you guys. Um, so if that happens again, you guys, I would definitely reach out to my state congressman. I had a young lady that comment and said that she verified identity, but they still sent her a CPO5 letter. That means that they are reviewing your tax return, okay? Just because you verified identity don't mean that you won't receive a notice or a letter from the IRS. It happens, okay? Just go read the letter. Make sure you read the letter and do whatever they tell you to do. If you need to send in information, make sure you send in that information and keep copies, you guys. Keep tracking numbers. I tell people, if the IRS tells you that you don't have to do anything, like some people say on CP05, CP05, then you don't have to do anything but wait, okay? But the CP05A, the series, you guys, some people may have to submit documents. And some of you are saying that your employer did not put, they are having to send information to the IRS because of they don't have the right income and information from your employer. Make sure you do that as well. A lot of people been coming in, and it's so much that people been commenting to me during tax season. You will be surprised. I have commented to thousands, I mean thousands, during tax season. Right now, things are slow on my YouTube channel right now, but we know as it get closer to tax season, it goes up. It goes up. So I'm just getting you to get prepared for tax planning. Those are the ones, and I talk regarding tax planning because that's some of the stuff that I talk about in my new book, you guys, of how to get a bigger refund. You might not get the biggest refund like some of the others, but to get a bigger refund, because a lot of you are missing out on things because you do not tax plan. You depend on, well, I have a child, and if I have a child, I know I'm gonna get earned income credit or a child tax credit, and so I know that I'm gonna get money. That's good and everything else, but you need to be aware of the tax credits. You need to be aware of the deductions, because if you don't know that, you missing out on money. It's some people, listen, have come to me and they are had children in college, and they missed out on those education credits, you guys. Some people be missing out $1,000 or more on their refund. And yes, that's great that you can amend them, and sometimes the amendment might not take long, but some people never, years pass by and they don't have a clue of some of the tax credits and the deductions, and they could have had a bigger refund to help them regarding their bills or anything they need to pay. You guys, so it's important to understand these things that I'm covering with you guys and make sure you're eligible. Now, you got to be eligible for these credits and deductions. Don't just put them on your tax return, because a lot of people are getting scammed regarding that with tax professionals. That's why I tell people to choose your tax preparer wisely during tax season, you guys, to help you. Because, just because you see a tax credit don't mean you can just claim it. And that's what some people do on their return. Hi, West Hug Writers. Love you. Okay, thank you. Love you too. Thank you for watching, okay, and joining us. Okay, yeah, I try to keep it real and give y'all a heads up. Okay, it's a lot of people don't tell you guys this, that's why I go live directly, try to answer your questions and give the information to the best of my ability as a tax preparer in my experience, okay, and by doing the research and studies of the IRS, okay. This is going on my yes, tax preparation, 6 year doing tax preparation as a tax professional, you guys. Okay, so I look forward to helping people this upcoming tax season, and it's gonna be my third year on YouTube, telling people and helping people regarding tax returns and tax refunds. So it's gonna be interesting. Every tax season be interesting, you guys. The changes, what's new, um, and also, for those of you who are wanting to know the new tax laws, I usually do a video every before tax season when I get updated about the new tax laws and what's upcoming. I usually do a video where the if you're in my membership, you guys, those other people are those who join the newsletter. Two people going to be able to take advantage of the tax laws. If you in my newsletter, you're gonna get some of it because you get the update in your inbox. And if you are in membership, you will get the full video. So that's why I tell you guys to make sure you join the newsletter. You guys, if you haven't already um signed up for the newsletter, that's the best thing that you guys can do. And I've been sharing that. You can text join to 1-833-527-0161. Get news to your inbox. Right now, you see me doing a little bit, you guys. For those of you who already signed up, you know it has been a small amount. But as it gets to tax season, it's going to be more, you guys. So that's why I share this information with you. Also, for those of you, maybe you don't want nothing by phone, you want it in your email, I have that on the screen as well to let you guys know. And you can also use that QR code that was on the screen as well. Let me take it off. Okay. Are there any more questions? If not, make sure you drop them down as this video goes off, and I'll try to come back and go over all of those. I have a lot of comments that be on my videos. I have to check Facebook. Facebook don't have that many, but on YouTube and on some be on LinkedIn as well, or some people send me messages or emails. So I'll try to get back to y'all as soon as I can, okay? And I'll be live next week again, next Wednesday. You guys, even though today I had to wait, I changed it to the day to do it. Hopefully next week it'll be next Wednesday. I will go live again at usually be at 11 to 11:30 a.m. Okay, giving you a new tax refund update. Also going over you guys the tax planner, the green one for the taxpayers. Okay, with tax planning. Okay, y'all have a great day and be blessed. Okay.